The chart we are going to build now is the gauge. As you can see, we have here a gauge that compares the profits, which is the net sales, to the goals that we have for each month. So what we will do here is the sum of the net sales versus the sum of the goals, and we will put it into a gauge. So we will choose the gauges. I want to put it here. In the binding, we have the gauges, and we will do add gauge. And here we have to put two things. First, the net sales. And our target is the goal column. Both will be with sum. Perfect. And as you can see, we have here now the gauge. We can see that the target is a bit less than 2 million and our profit, our net, was much more. It was above 16 millions. And we can see that we have here the difference, which is around 15 million. And we have here also a green triangle. And this is a formatting according to the profit or to the loss. So if our goal was higher, so it would be red. Let's just to see that, if I will put here, instead of the goal, I will put here, for example, the amount of sales, which is of course higher than the net. So you will see that it will become red. Let's see that. So if I will put here, instead of the goal, I will put here sales amount. So you can see now that the goal is, the target is much higher, and we have here minus 29 millions, and the triangle became red, and also to the opposite direction. So I will return it to be the goals. Perfect. Let's now hide the title and also hide this. So I will go to the option and show caption off, and underneath we have also show gauge caption, so we will turn it off. Alright, so now we have our gauge. Let's do some resizing. I will make the gauge smaller. And this I can do also smaller. I will save it. One last option I want to show you is, if you will go to the options, you will have here the style of the gauge. Here we have almost circle one. We can go with a half circle and some more formats. I will take the half circle. It was also like the example. So I will save again. Perfect. So this is it for the gauge chart. Thanks, and see you in the next videos.